you went out and you came back and you greet. The people inside are going to say something to you when you say hello, which means ndewo. They will tell you, some will say ndewo, some will tell you no, some will say ilola. Those are the 3 different ways of responding when somebody comes back from outside. Take for example, your parents, mom or dad or elder sister, elder brother, sibling went to work or went to school and just came back. What you say to the person is ndewo. When you enter, the person will now say no, welcome. You're telling your parents welcome, you say no, ilola, inatago. These are all different ways of saying it. Ndewo, no, inatago. You are telling the person welcome. You are also telling somebody who has just come back, how was work? Ke maka olu. Kedu maka olu. How was work? Same way, how was school? Kedu maka ụlọ akwụkwọ. That is what we are talking about when you come back. So you're coming back from work, they tell you no. You are telling us ndewo, and we are telling you no. Then when you come back from school, you say ndewo no. We are telling you no, or a natago or a lotago. Then we will now ask you, kedu maka school? Kedu maka ụlọ akwụkwọ? Kedu maka ọrụ? Kedu maka ebe gara? That is how you ask that. You want to know how was work, how was school, how was where you went to.